channel. It's me Shubhangi and you're watching Glam Mermaid. Welcome back to yet another exciting video, and in today's video I'm going to share with you another Meesho haul. So I have shopped few jewelry items, Pinteresty jewelry finds from Meesho that includes anti-tarnish necklaces, bracelets, finger rings and layered necklaces as well. So if you want to know what are all the cute Pinteresty finds that I shopped from Meesho, then keep on watching. But before moving forward, if you're new to my channel, then do consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, now without any further blabbering, let's begin. Okay, so let's begin with a cute anti-tarnish necklace, which is this one. So this is the Pinteresty heart necklace that is so viral these days. So this is the necklace. It is very pretty. The heart is so cute and it got a basic chain. And it is anti-tarnish, so you can wear it all the time. It won't just tarnish, and that's the best part, because क्या होता है कि necklaces do turn black after a few days of usage. So that's something I am looking forward in this anti-tarnish necklaces. This is the first piece and the price of this is 253 rupees, and it is anti-tarnish. Anti-tarnish are expensive than normal jewelry, so you have to keep that in mind. If you think you will get it in the same price as you will get like normal necklaces, then is not the case, because this is anti-tarnish, so it will be a little expensive than the normal necklaces. Now let's move to the next jewelry item that I have. Next, let's talk about a bracelet. So this is a very pretty bracelet, and ये ऐसा cute सा case के साथ आता है, so it's very handy to store them. So this is the necklace. This is the bracelet. So this is the bracelet. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. It's very Pinteresty. You will get another option like color option. इस पे आपको white color भी मिलेगा, but I shopped for the black one. If you want, you can go for the white one as well. इस पे ऐसा जो design है ना, ऐसा cute charms है. You are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 charms in it, and it's in golden color obviously, and it is so pretty. So this is the bracelet. It's very pretty. It's like so cute. Just look at this. Isn't it very cute? You can just stack it with some bead bracelet and your watch obviously, and it will look so good. I really like this one. You can also get your hand on the white one as well. The price of this is 304 rupees. I know it's quite expensive, but again, this is anti-tarnish. It won't just turn black, and you can keep it for a long time. It will like go you for the long period of time because it won't just tarnish. That's something I like. So this is the bracelet. So that was the next thing. Now let's move to the next one. Next up, let's talk about this. So we have a layered necklace. So let's talk about that. It got 4 stack necklace that is like, and each one is different from one another. But while ordering, I thought ये जो सभी है ना ये अलग अलग आएगा, like you can wear it separately and together, but no, you have to wear it together only because यहाँ पे एक jump ring के साथ सारा attach किया हुआ है, so you cannot wear it separate, but only together you can wear it. But this is very pretty, and the combo it have, like क्या होता है ना, generally stacked necklace पे जो combo रहता है layering का, वो मुझे पसंद नहीं आता है in general, but this one has the prettiest combo. The first one is like this guineas, then a broad chain, then some pretty beads or stones you can say, and the last one a single charm, which I really like. So this one is very pretty, and the price of this is rupees 280, and for the price I think it's so good. So now let's move to the next jewelry item. So next, let's talk about this one. So this is a like ring का set है ये. This is by the brand Jewel Galaxy. You are getting 24 pieces of ring, and इस पे भी बहुत सुंदर सुंदर designs. I really like this one. बहुत सुंदर सुंदर डिज़ाइन है, मैं सभी पहन के आपको दिखा दूंगी. एंड यू आर गेटिंग 24 pieces of rings for rupees 253, and it's I think worth every rupees you spend on it because it is so classy and the rings are so stylish. And now let's move to the one I'm wearing. This is so viral these days. This is the viral 1111 necklace. This is very pretty, and this is again anti-tarnish. It is again anti-tarnish, and it looks so good with a lot of tops, one pieces, and so many things. I really like this one. I really love the way it looks, and it amplifies and makes every look so beautiful. ये बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग लाइक डीप नेक टॉप्स, उसके साथ अगर आप इसको पेयर करोगे ना, बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट ज्वेलरी पीस आई हैव. And the price of this is 353 rupees. Again, this is anti-tarnish, so it will be a little expensive, but I don't mind. I really love this one. So this is the next jewelry item, and now let's move to the last one for today's haul. That is this one. This is a hoop set by Jewel Galaxy. So this is the hoops you are getting. ऐसे आपको बहुत सारा hoops मिलेगा इस पे. So you are getting lot of hoops like this. You are getting 6 hoops in different shapes and sizes and designs. And hoops are like always, you need them always. These are very good for regular wear and also for parties. I love all the hoops. They are so stylish, so different, so unique. I love the design, and I really like this one. The price of this is 353 rupees, but again you are getting 6 pieces of hoops, so you can calculate. They are so inexpensive, and approximately आपको 60 rupees का around एक hoop का पड़ रहा है. So this is so good. So yeah, those are all the items I had for today's video. All the items are so Pinteresty, so cute, and so stylish. And all the links of the products will be mentioned in the description box down below, so you can check that out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such content and haul videos and so many more stuffs. And yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this video. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll meet very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.